Warning, don't text and ride, because this happens. One day I was riding my bike. I rode for 5 minutes and captured the distance and my speed at every minute. At every minute, my speed was slightly different. I thought to myself, wow, I wonder how the app knows how fast I'm going. But then I realized I can find my speed using what I learned this year from calculus. What you see here are the screenshots I took at every minute. They have the distance and speed. So I have my table up at the top, and right now we are solving for the average velocity of my bike ride. So this interval is 0 to 5. And for reference, this is the secant line, which is the line connecting two points. So we take our slopes and we find the value, and it's 0.238 miles per minute is our average velocity, and we'll be using those later. Now we're finding our instantaneous velocity at x equals 1. This is a tangent line, which is the point touching that graph at x equals 1. So we take our slopes on either side of x equals 1, 0 to 1 to 1 to 2, and we will get a value of 0.22 for 0 to 1 and 0.27 for 1 to 2. And our instantaneous velocity at 1 minute can be anything in between those points. Now I will solve for the rest of them and come back later. Now we're going to go back and check our work to see if the app gives us an accurate instantaneous velocity at our points. So I'm taking the speed from the app and dividing it by 60, and this will give us a instantaneous velocity in miles per minute, which is the unit we solved for earlier. So I am going to do that for each one of the intervals, and I'm going to go back and see if these points fall into our intervals. So as I start checking to see if the values are in the interval, you can see that most of them are, and there's just one that isn't at 3 seconds, and this is because I was going down a hill at this point and it skewed my speed. And now we are going to take our average velocity and multiply it by 60, and this will give us the average velocity in miles per hour, which is the unit from the app. And as you can see, it's 14.2 on the app, and we found 14.28, so it's very accurate. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.